Hello money makers, do you really want to grow your channel to 30,000 subscribers in just 4 months alone? Check out this channel, GuardWatch. This channel has got more than 30,000 subscribers, and if we check their oldest video, it was uploaded just 4 months ago. The popular videos on this channel have gained more than 500,000 views already. This channel is already making more than $20,000 per month from YouTube revenue and brand sponsorships. Trust me when I say this, you can do this too. In this video, I will teach how you can copy this channel and create your own channel this week itself without showing your face or even recording your own voice. If you watch my videos regularly, then I will make you believe that making money on YouTube is easy. I am trying my level best to share the end-to-end tutorial so that you can start creating your own channel soon. Also, if you want my exclusive content and help from me directly, you can join AI Maskman Academy, where you will get my coaching and courses for just $150 for lifetime. No recurring payments or upgrades. Moving back to the video, let's grab a cup of coffee and watch this video till the end without even skipping a single part. Let's get started. Alright, let's start the video creation process step by step. And as always, we'll get help from ChatGPT to create this kind of video. So, first, we need to explain to ChatGPT the type of channel we want to create. You need to copy the link of this channel and head over to ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you'll write, "I'm going to create a channel like this. Could you help me with that?" Then paste the channel link. ChatGPT will analyze the entire channel for you. Alright, let's begin with step 1. Finding topics. Now, where can you find topics and stories like these? This is a big question because in this niche, the story is everything. Only if your story is interesting and emotional will people like it. But don't worry, you don't have to stress about it. Your AI Maskman has already figured everything out for you. This is especially for my loyal audience. You need to go to my Google Doc, the link for which is provided in the description. You'll find the Telegram channel there, which you can join. Once you're there, copy the first prompt, which I've detailed, including everything like how to find topics, how to create titles, and other important details. I've also added example topics and stories to help ChatGPT understand clearly. Now just copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT, and there you go. ChatGPT will provide you with emotional and clickable titles, along with thumbnail text. Remember, if you look at the thumbnails on this channel, they are all high quality, with clickable text. So you need to get those clickable titles too from ChatGPT. Don't worry, I'll also show you how to create such high-quality thumbnails. So make sure to watch until the end, and with this, you can generate as many story topics as you like. Now that you have your topics, it's time to write the full story related to them. Let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Writing scripts. I've also prepared a detailed prompt for this, which you can give to ChatGPT to create the perfect story. So you need to go back to my Google Doc, copy the second prompt, and then paste it into ChatGPT. Just copy the prompt and give it to ChatGPT, and it will add its title and generate the story for you. If needed, you can ask ChatGPT to increase or decrease the length of the story as per your requirements. Additionally, you can find many stories on Reddit, other sites, and Google. You can rewrite those stories and use them too. And if you need to generate a longer story, like a 30 to 40 minute one, ChatGPT won't give it all at once. You'll have to break it down. You need to generate the story in parts, and I'll show you how. From my Google Doc, copy the prompt related to the scene structure. Then, add the topic and give it to ChatGPT. At first, ChatGPT will only generate the scene outline for you. Now, once you have the list of all the scenes, you need to generate the script for each scene one by one. For example, first, generate the script for scene 1, then scene 2, and so on. For that, you need to copy the prompt for scene 1 from my Google Doc and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate scene 1 for you. Now copy that and add it to your Google Doc. Next, you need to generate scene 2 and then scene 3. Keep generating the scenes one by one and add them to your Google Doc. This way, you can create as long a story as you want. But remember to read through the entire story. It should be interesting and emotional, with a strong hook and intro. If anything seems off, you can ask ChatGPT to make changes. Using these methods, you can create a perfect story that doesn't even feel like it's AI generated. Isn't that amazing? Now let's move on to the next step. Step 3. Now, to generate the voiceover, I'll use Hume AI. In Hume AI, you can do more than just create a random voice. You can generate voices with expressions, customize voices in real time, create conversational voices, and much more. Let's sign in. Once you sign in, you'll get 10,000 free characters to test their voices in a few of your videos. Amazing, right? Let's listen to some of their voices.
Naturally, I was able to beat him at golf, but I let him win so he wouldn't be too upset.
Well, I remember back in the day, we'd sit and talk about dreams. You know, big dreams.
I find that people often dismiss elves as ethereal beings, but I believe they have a hidden, darker side.
These voices sound so natural. You can even create a unique voice with just one prompt. Simply add some sample lines and generate the voice prompt. You can also generate the voice prompt with ChatGPT. And now let's generate 3 sample voices for you.
He didn't salute me, the woman yelled, shoving her son forward. Then, without warning, her palm lashed out. Crack.
Wow, that's awesome. The voice sounds perfect and natural. For now, I'll choose the classic film actor voice. Next, let's copy the script and paste it here. Then hit Generate.
He didn't salute me!
The woman yelled, shoving her son forward. Then, without warning, her palm lashed out. Crack across the guard's cheek. Gasps rippled through the crowd like a wave crashing against stone. The boy, no older than 8.
Perfect. Now let's download it. That's it. This is how you can create 100% realistic voice with Hume AI. You can find link in the description. Step 3 is completed. Now let's move on to the next step. Wait, before we move ahead, if you want to take your content creation to the next level, join my exclusive school community. Get direct access to expert tips, resources, and personalized coaching to help you succeed faster. Plus, if you're looking for a complete hassle-free solution, check out my Done For You program, where I handle everything, from content creation to optimization, so you can focus on growing your YouTube channel and making money. The link is in the description. Join now and start your journey to success. Now let's get back to the video. Step 4. Generating AI images. Go back to my Google Doc, copy the image generation prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. ChatGPT will generate scene-by-scene prompts for you. For each scene, you need to specify how many image prompts you need, and ChatGPT will provide that for you. For image generation, you can use tools like Leonardo AI, Midjourney, or any other. Alternatively, you can also use a free tool called Riva Art. Now just paste the prompt and hit Generate. This way you can generate all the images one by one. If you have ChatGPT Plus, you can also generate images directly with ChatGPT. Now, let's move on to the next step. This step is optional. Step 4. Optional. Generating videos from images. You can animate the intro images to make them look cool. If you want, you can skip this part and just add images to your video. To generate the video, you can use tools like Halo AI or Kling AI. Alright, let's move on to the last step of the video creation process. Step 5. Editing. To edit the video, I will use the CapCut desktop app. Open CapCut and import all the materials. First, add the voiceover file to the timeline. Then, one by one, add the AI images and videos you generated to the upper layers. First, add the videos you generated for the intro. Then, add the images one by one. Next, go to the effects and apply the black noise effect. After that, go to the transition section and add a transition between the 2 clips. You can also enhance the video by using filters. And that's it. Your video is ready. Just click export and download it to your computer. Now, as I mentioned, I'll show you how to create a high-quality clickable thumbnail. Let me show you. First, copy the prompt from my Google Doc and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will provide you with the prompt for generating the thumbnail. Now, generate the image using any image generator tool. I'll generate it using ChatGPT. After that, open Canva and choose the video icon from the dashboard. Then, upload the image and add it to the blank page. Now, go to the text section and choose a bold, large font. I'll go with this one. Pick white color and write the text suggested by ChatGPT along with the title. You can mix two colors in the font to make it more attractive. Next, go to the effects section, adjust the background speed, and choose a black background. Then, go to the elements section, search for an arrow, and add it to point out something. And that's it. Your thumbnail is ready. So, this is how you can create a complete video with AI and make money online using these simple steps. If you still aren't creating content, when will you start? Now is the time. Start making content and earn tons of money. Stay focused, stay consistent, and you will succeed on YouTube soon. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on creating amazing content and making money online. Now let's have a look to our demo video.
He didn't salute me!
The woman yelled, shoving her son forward. Then, without warning, her palm lashed out. Crack across the guard's cheek. Gasps rippled through the crowd like a wave crashing against stone. The boy, no older than 8, burst into tears. He stumbled back, toy soldier falling from his hands, and tried to hide behind her. But her grip tightened like a vice.
Did she just hit him?
Someone whispered.
He can't do that. He's a royal guard.
The videos began recording. The moment was already going viral. But what none of them saw was the fire that lit behind Lance Corporal Alias Ward's eyes. He didn't move. Not yet. But inside, the soldier was already marching. The heat of June soaked into the crimson wool of his uniform, but Alias didn't flinch. 8 years in the Royal Regiment had forged more than discipline.